Step foot on the moon, a giant leap for mankind. These are the iconic words from Neil Armstrong that are still pretty relevant. Because even after all these years, the moon remains a mysterious place. Well, we haven't been back since 1972 and we still have so many unanswered questions. So, today we have put together a list of 10 such unsolved mysteries of the moon. Let's start with mystery number 10, the origin of the moon. So, one of the most important questions about the moon is how it came to be and its relationship with Earth. The Apollo 11 mission provided us with valuable moon rock samples that helped us kickstart decades of research. Scientists proposed the widely accepted hypothesis that the moon originated from a giant impact with a Mars-sized object, causing debris to form into the moon. The theory suggests that the moon was once a magma ocean orbiting Earth. Up next, mystery number 9 is if there's water on the moon. So it turns out that moon is not as dry as we once thought. Scientists have discovered substantial amounts of water ice lurking just beneath the lunar surface, particularly near the poles, and this is like massive deposits that could have been significant implications for the future space exploration. This discovery opens up exciting possibilities, as this water could potentially be used as a valuable resource for generating spacecraft fuel or sustaining future lunar colonies. However, the origin of this water remains a mystery. Scientists have put forth various theories, including outgassing reactions, meteoroid impacts, cometary bombardment, and chemical interactions catalyzed by solar winds, but nobody knows for sure how it came to be. Up next, mystery number 8 is the moonquakes. Contrary to popular belief, the moon experiences regular earthquakes called moonquakes. Instruments left on the lunar surface during the Apollo missions recorded these tremors. We know that factors like heat, gravity, and meteoroid impacts cause moonquakes, but we still don't fully understand how they work or why some quakes occur without an apparent cause. To unravel this mystery, scientists suggest setting up a network of sensors on the moon to gather more data. Up next, mystery number 7 is that moon is tidally locked, which means that only one side of it always faces the Earth. So this phenomena is not uncommon in our solar system, but we still don't fully understand why it happens, when it occurs, or what conditions it contributes to. Tidal locking is closely related to the moon's origin and its early history, adding another layer to 4 billion years old puzzle. Next up, the mystery number 6 is South Pole Aitken Basin anomaly. Recently, scientists have discovered something massive beneath the south pole of the moon, specifically below the largest impact crater in the entire solar system known as the South Pole Aitken Basin. This mysterious object is significant enough to influence the gravitational force exerted by the moon, while prevailing theories suggest it could be a heavy metal body resulting from a long ago impact. It's true, nature remains uncertain. What confuses scientists even more is the fact that this mass is suspended underground. Given the moon's internal activity and the heat, one would expect the mass to have shifted over time instead of remaining trapped. Believe it or not, they are preparing to launch a mission to solve this mystery. Up next, mystery number 5 is volcanoes on the moon. Although we don't see any recent volcanic eruptions on the moon, scientists still believe that volcanoes were active there within the last 100 million years. However, we still don't know enough about the lunar volcanism and its effects on the moon's geology. Different types of lunar rocks and observations suggest that different explanations, and we need new samples for the moon to solve this mystery. So, coming up next is mystery number 4, which is if there ever has been life on the moon. Well, scientists are interested in studying the ice hidden in polar craters on the moon, because it could provide clues about the development of life on Earth. One theory suggests that the building blocks of life may have been delivered to Earth by comets, and remnants of these building blocks could potentially be preserved in the lunar ice. Additionally, collisions with asteroids and comets on Earth could have released material into space, some of which may have reached the moon and been preserved there. So, the next mystery on our list is the lunar lava tube. At number 3. So, recent discovery by a Japanese probe using radar technology has unveiled a remarkable feature on the moon. A cave measuring 30 miles long and 60 miles wide. Scientists speculate that this cave, known as a lunar lava tube, was formed over 3 billion years ago during volcanic activity. As molten lava flowed through the interior, a solid crust formed on the outside, creating a hollow space within. NASA has also identified small pits on the moon's surface that could potentially be entrances to similar underground tunnels. Up next is mystery number 2, which is why do wolves howl at the moon? So it's more of a legend than a mystery that wolves howl at the moon, especially during a full moon. However, researchers have found no conclusive evidence to support this idea. While wolves do howl at night, there is no correlation between their howling and the lunar phases. Now, surprisingly, even dogs seem to be influenced by moon phases. Veterinary emergency rooms reported 28% increase in visits for dogs during the full moon, while cats show a 23% increase. On top of that, full moons have been observed to stimulate coral to release eggs and sperm, and even influence their behavior of doodlebugs. And last but not the least is mystery number 1, which is why do we only see one side of the moon? The reason we only see the same side of the moon is because it is tightly locked to the earth. This means the moon's rotation on its axis takes the same amount of time as its orbit around the earth, which is approximately 28 days. The phenomena is not unique to the Earth-Moon system and can be observed in other planet-moon systems as well. For example, Pluto and its moon Charon are tightly locked to each other, while always facing each other at the same angle. The gravitational interaction between celestial bodies results in a stable configuration as a binary planet system. So with that, it's a wrap on our list of top 10 mysteries of the moon. Do you have any theories or wild speculations about the moon's secrets? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our new content. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you in the next one.